ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. It is based on the GPT 3.5 architecture, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3.5. This powerful model has been trained on a vast amount of text data from the internet, allowing it to generate human-like responses to a wide range of prompts and questions. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to engage in natural language conversations with users. It can understand and generate text in a conversational manner, making it ideal for chatbot applications and interactive dialogue systems. ChatGPT is designed to understand context, maintain coherent conversations, and provide informative and helpful responses. The underlying architecture of ChatGPT is based on transformers. Transformers are deep learning models that use self-attention mechanisms to process input sequences. This architecture enables the model to capture long-range dependencies in the text and generate high-quality responses. The training process involves exposing the model to a large corpus of text and fine-tuning it on specific tasks or domains. OpenAI has used reinforcement learning techniques to train ChatGPT. In this process, the model is fine-tuned using human feedback. Human AI trainers provide conversations where they play both the user and an AI assistant, and they have access to model-generated suggestions to aid their responses. This data is used to create a reward model, which helps train the model through a process called proximal policy optimization. This iterative training process helps improve the model's performance and make it more useful in real-world scenarios. ChatGPT has several potential applications across different domains. It can be used as a chatbot in customer support systems, providing quick and accurate responses to user inquiries. It can also assist with language translation, content generation, drafting emails, and much more. The model's versatility and ability to understand context make it highly adaptable to various conversational tasks. However, it's important to note that while ChatGPT is incredibly advanced, it still has limitations. It can sometimes generate incorrect or nonsensical answers, and it may also exhibit biases present in the training data. OpenAI is actively working on improving the model and addressing these limitations. In summary, ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. It utilizes the GPT 3.5 architecture and has been trained on a vast amount of text data. With its natural language understanding and generation capabilities, it can engage in conversational dialogue, making it a valuable tool for chatbot applications and interactive systems. While it has its limitations, ongoing research and development aim to enhance its performance and make it more reliable and useful in real-world scenarios.